Let's talk about integrating MetaHumans into your Unreal Engine 5 project. Today you'll learn how to set up MetaHumans both as playable characters and NPCs. First, we're going to create a new project in Unreal Engine 5 using the third-person blueprint. Now open the Quixel Bridge window from the Windows dropdown. Head over to the MetaHuman tab. Here you'll find a variety of MetaHumans to choose from. From here, pick your favorite MetaHuman and download it. Once that's done, add it to your project. Open up the MetaHuman blueprint. Don't worry if you see alerts about missing plugins. Just enable each plugin as needed. Once the shaders fully compile, restart Unreal Engine. After restarting, drag the MetaHuman blueprint into the level. This step is crucial to finish loading the shaders, ensuring your MetaHuman looks just right. Create 2 duplicates of the MetaHuman blueprint. We'll make one our player named MetaPlayer, and the other as our NPC named MetaNPC. Let's focus first on the MetaPlayer. Open your BP MetaPlayer blueprint. We're going to set this up for your playable character. In class settings, reparent MetaPlayer as BP third-person character. Then drag the body component to the mesh component. Next, delete the component named root. Don't forget to reset the location and rotation transforms for the body component. You will encounter a compile error. Simply drag a reference to the mesh component and connect it to the node showing the error. This should clear things up. Under the mesh component, type VIS in search and change the visibility-based anim tick setting to always tick pose and refresh bones. Then uncheck visibility to hide the Manny mesh. Open up BP third-person game manager. Change the default Pong class to be BP MetaPlayer. Back in the mesh component of BP MetaPlayer, find Use Live Retarget Mode at the bottom left and set the default value to true. Open the BP third-person character blueprint and copy all the nodes from the event graph. Go back to BP MetaPlayer and paste the nodes in an open area. Delete the node with the warning and connect the begin play and the node already connected to begin play in place of the node that was deleted. Your MetaPlayer should now be fully functional and ready for action. Let's shift our focus to an AI-controlled NPC. We'll start by creating 2 blueprints. One for the AI controller named AI Meta Controller, and another for a behavior tree I named AI Meta Tree. Open AI Meta Controller and find the node Run Behavior Tree. Connect it and set it to the behavior tree we just created, AI Meta Tree. Next, open the Meta NPC blueprint and reparent it to character. Set the skeletal mesh to SKM Manny. You will have to manually position and rotate the Manny mesh correctly. Change the mesh animation class to ABP Manny. Drag the body component onto the mesh component and delete the component named root. Change Use Live Retarget Mode to checked. Resolve any compile errors by connecting the mesh component reference to the problematic node. Under the mesh component, adjust visibility-based animation tick to always tick pose and refresh bones, and uncheck visibility to hide the Manny mesh. Change the AI controller class to the AI Meta Controller that we made. In AI Meta Tree, create a new behavior tree task. This task should enable NPCs to pick a random point within a radius and walk there. Begin with the Execute AI event node. Connect it to the Get Random Location Navigable Radius. Set the origin to the actor's location and choose your desired radius. Use the AI Move To node and connect all relevant pins. Connect On Success to a Finish Execute node marked as Success, and On Fail to another Finish Execute node unmarked as Success. Back in AI Meta Tree, add a Sequence node and then the new task you created. Also add a Wait node to the right of that. In your level, add a nav mesh bounce volume. Use the brush settings to cover the area where you want your NPC to move. Press P to check if it's set correctly. The floor should turn green, indicating a navigable area. Add your NPC to the scene. On testing, you will notice the NPC sliding along the ground instead of walking. To fix this, search for Path in the NPC blueprint and check Use Acceleration for Path. And there you have it. Your AI-controlled NPC is ready to explore your world autonomously. Feel free to add as many NPCs as you want, and they'll all navigate independently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of these, and like the video if you liked it. It really helps out. Also, feel free to leave comments below and tell me what I've done wrong or what I can do better to make the videos better to watch or to make the tutorials better overall.